The production of high-quality washing powder involves several critical steps and carefully selected ingredients. The process and formulation can vary between manufacturers and brands, but here is a general overview of how a top-quality washing powder might be made. Ingredients. High-quality washing powders typically contain a mix of the following components, each serving a specific purpose. 1. Surfactants. These are the primary cleaning agents that reduce the surface tension of water, allowing it to mix with oils and dirt, effectively removing them from fabrics. 2. Builders. They enhance the cleaning efficiency of the surfactants by softening the water and binding calcium and magnesium ions. 3. Enzymes. Specific enzymes target particular types of stains, such as proteases for protein-based stains, e.g. blood egg, amylases for starch-based stains, and lipases for fat-based stains. 4. Bleaching agents. Chemicals like oxygen-based bleach, e.g. sodium percarbonate, help remove color stains and brighten whites. 5. Optical brighteners. These chemicals absorb UV light and emit visible blue light, making fabrics appear whiter and brighter. 6. Polymers. Water-soluble polymers can help prevent redeposition of soil on fabrics. 7. Fragrances and dyes. Added for aesthetic reasons to give the detergent a pleasant scent and appearance. 8. Fillers. Substances like sodium sulfate are added to bulk up the product. Manufacturing process. Ingredient mixing. The first step is to mix the raw materials in the correct proportions. This can be done in large industrial mixers. Liquid ingredients are usually sprayed onto the dry ingredients to ensure even distribution. Granulation. The mixture might then undergo a granulation process to form granules or pellets. This process can involve extrusion, where the mixture is forced through an orifice and cut into pellets, or agglomeration, where small particles are combined into larger granules. Granulation helps ensure even distribution of ingredients in each granule and improves the washing powder's solubility in water. Drying. If the process has introduced moisture, the granules may need to be dried to achieve the desired moisture content and ensure the stability of the product. Addition of heat and moisture-sensitive components. Some ingredients, like certain enzymes and fragrances, may be damaged by heat or moisture. These are often coated or encapsulated and added to the mixture after the main drying process. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, rigorous quality control measures are in place to ensure the product meets the desired specifications. This includes checking the chemical composition, particle size distribution, moisture content, and other physical and chemical properties. Packaging. Finally, the washing powder is packaged in moisture-resistant containers to protect it from humidity and keep it dry until use. The exact formulation and process details can vary significantly between different brands and products, with each manufacturer having their own secret recipes and techniques for achieving the best cleaning performance.